Okay.
I just want justice to be right.
So I mean, I went and asked.
You didn't look?
Haven Kohler.
Did you look?
She signs them all like that. Listen to me. Listen. Haven Kohler. She's sitting there right now. She signs them all like that.
So somebody told you she signs them all like that, and you believe them. You haven't seen for yourself,
yes,
correct?
This
is that correct?
This office does, yes. The clerk's office right here.
So nobody's going to prove it today. You just want me to take your word for the person you took their word for, that's how she signs her name. Now, how can I figure that out?
I don't care how she signs her name.
But you said you would go look, and you haven't looked yet.
I haven't verified that.
No, you said you would go look.
I told you I would go look. HK.
Right. Did you look?
Here. Haven Kohler.
We had a conversation right there. I said her driver's license. Go look how she. Well, show me her signature, and I'll be happy.
I'm gonna ask for her driver's license.
Okay, well,
I have no reason to.
You're taking somebody else's word for it right now. Well, bring that person out here and let them sign me an affidavit. I'll take their word for it. I'm just saying, I don't believe you guys. I think you're circling the wagons, and somebody needs to show me, or we're gonna have a serious problem.
Well, sure,
Those are initials to me.
That's fine. That's her signature. So
you're saying that's her signature based on what, officer? Based on your
that's how she signed it.
No, based on. Do you have any personal knowledge that she signs it that way? Have you seen her signature?
I don't know her personally, so
I'm
not
I'm
gonna say
asking
how
you,
she signs it.
Have you seen a signature of hers besides that one?
I probably have all over the years. You're probably right.
Have you seen one since we had that conversation a minute ago?
No, just this one.
You said you were going to go check, and you went and asked someone, and you're taking their word for it. And you're asking me.
I confirmed that Haven.
You didn't confirm.
Listen, I confirmed that Haven Kohler
works
in the clerk's office, and she's on the stand right now. Well, on the stand, she's in there where you just left for the courtroom of the judge.
You understand what's at stake here, right? What I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to say?
No.
Okay, if it's true that is her signature, I would like somebody to show me. And if it's not, there's a felony going on. I don't understand how clear I could be.
Why is there a felony going on? She's sitting in there.
Okay, so why is there a felony? Because those are initials. That's what you're asking me. Those are initials. They're required to be a signature. And this man's trying to assess.
That could be her signature.
It could be, right. But I say it's not. And
but I have no legal reason to request her signature, saying that's not her signature.
You have no legal reason.
Why do I have to go in there and request her driver's license to?
Because
as her signature is.
We're going to start slowly. Signature. It does say signature. The rules for civil procedure say she has to sign this. And now you're saying.
How you sign it?
Now wait a second. You're saying that's her signature. But you're not basing that on anything except somebody else's word. So your word doesn't mean a lot to me right now. What I'm saying is, if that is her signature, I'll walk away. We're fine. I got other arguments. If this is not her signature, those folks are committing a felony. He's circling the wagons. Now, how do we figure out which one's which, bro? I can't take your word for it. I'm sorry.
That's fine. I mean, you don't have to. That's totally up to you. I'm just telling you, I have confirmed with the clerk's office that she worked there, Haven Kohler. She's in there right now.
Yeah, you confirmed she worked there and she's in there, right. But have you confirmed that this is how she signs her name?
I'm not concerned how she signs her name.
Why not? That's the whole gist of what I'm trying to tell you is wrong here, and you have no concern over it?
You can sign your name how you prefer. You can scribble a line. You can write your name out perfectly neat. She puts her initials.
Does she? What are you basing that on? You're basing it on what you
add? That piece of paper?
Yeah, me too. And I want to see something else to prove it. I want to just.
That's it.
You're saying you're not going to help me? Let me get a pen. I'm going to write y'all's name and badge numbers down. It's okay if you don't want to help me. I just want to make sure I document it.
Do you want to talk to somebody else?
No, I want to file a criminal complaint. I'm going to charge them with a felony. Can we do that or not?
That's up to you. I don't know what you're going to file, but.
I'm telling you what you're doing right now. You're saying that you're arguing that what I'm telling you is not true, and you don't have any evidence of that, except you just don't want them to get in trouble. I don't get it.
I don't understand who'd be getting in trouble, but
the judge.
If you're gonna write.
Okay, because every one of these he's ever issued, they put initials instead of signatures. It's bogus, and they're going to class action lawsuit, bro. That's what's going on.
That's fine.
So that's what's at stake. It's not fine. I'm trying to tell you how important this is, and you're acting like I'm stupid.
Do you want our names or not?
Yeah.
Okay, let's write them down. If you want to talk to somebody else, you can talk to somebody else. I
would like to talk to the sheriff because I elected him.
Here. I'll get you somebody higher than us. How about that?
Okay.
That work?
How about the district attorney? Can you get him or any kind of the county attorney?
There's a.
All right, Watson. What's your badge number, bro?
71.
There's a ladder of
Tell me your name again. I'm sorry, Sparks. I apologize.
That's what you gotta go by. You can't just request it.
What's your badge number?
85. Everybody under the sun that's gonna show
Okay,
up.
and now I asked you to go look, and you said you were gonna go look. Is that correct?
I went and confirmed that. She
No,
works
no, wait a
here.
minute. I said you said you were gonna go look, and instead of looking, you went and asked somebody, and you haven't looked at her signature, but
So
you're.
you want me to go in there and interrupt court?
No, I don't. I'm just making sure I'm understanding where we are and what's going on. Or you're done with the matter as far as you're concerned. Is that you're done with it, right? You don't care anymore.
So
Is there-
it's
you don't
not
have
I
any
care,
other
but
questions?
there's nothing.
Evelyn, for dessert, Wednesday, what do you want?
Okay, let's say I give you a call and I say, I saw a guy had a gun in a bag and he's walking down the street, the suitcase, I saw him open it, there's a gun in there. Anonymous tip, and you go
What's wrong
over
with
there.
that?
And you go over there, are you gonna search that guy's suitcase?
Nope.
No.
Okay. You wouldn't?
Nope.
Even if somebody said they saw a gun?
That's hearsay.
Okay, right. But judge said that's her signature, that's hearsay. I need
He's
to,
the judge.
right, but show me then. The best evidence says show me the evidence. The burden is to show me. You
He
guys
sits
can't.
on the stand. That's our judge.
I get it.
I'll
But
tell
that
you
doesn't
what,
mean they're
listen,
infallible.
listen,
Yeah.
you got our names, you got our badge number. You want somebody higher up,
I do.
I'll get them for you. That work?
We'll go get him.
Appreciate it.
Hang tight.